Alright, to start off, we have 2 bags of just the restaurant style tortilla chips. Those will be for our 2 Mexican meals this next few weeks. And next up, Caleb just picked out a pack of cheese puffs for his and Zoe's lunches. And then I have 2 loaves of white bread. Those are just for sandwiches, and the kids will get a slice of bread sometimes to snack on. I got an Italian bread to do sandwiches with one day this week. And then bagels for the children's lunches. And I decided to let Caleb pick out a pack of cookies, which is very rare for them to get that much of a snack. And then some green bananas. I did get some ripe bananas from Walmart, but I got these so they would ripen up as we were eating the other ones. 2 little pouches for Caleb and Zoe as a treat. And then I got, I believe it was 6 bags of broccoli. I'll find the other ones later and put them up as well. Of course, French vanilla creamer for my coffee. I got a container of turkey gravy to go with our chicken gravy and rice. We were low on peanut butter, so we went ahead and got another peanut butter. And of course, you always have to buy butter. Ketchup. I do love that they have organic ketchup now. Our favorite little fingerling potatoes that we probably do it with chicken and potatoes this weekend. 2 jars of spaghetti sauce. I got 2 frozen pizzas for our dinner tonight. Some breadcrumbs for one of the recipes I have this week. 2 containers of Jiffy corn mix. I don't quite remember what recipe these were going to go into, but I know I wanted some. I got 2 regular containers of the Honey Nut Crispy Oats for the children, and then this week I also let Caleb pick out a special treat cereal that we're going to mix with the regular mashed potatoes. Maple and brown sugar oatmeal packets. I'll actually mix those with regular oatmeal for the children for breakfast. 4 boxes of macaroni and cheese. A container of chicken broth for one of the recipes this week. I got half of a gallon of skim milk for the children's breakfast cereal, and then half a gallon of chocolate milk. A carton of eggs. Some more broccoli. I usually just do broccoli as a side dish because I know Nate really likes it with cheese. A bag of Italian style meatballs for our spaghetti and meatballs this week. Two blocks of cheese. I'm going to be slicing the cheese up in little cubes and feeding it to the children with this turkey for their lunches because they both really enjoy that. Pepper jack cheese for mine and Nate's sandwiches. Chicken nuggets for the kids because apparently they like chicken nuggets now. Hot dogs are out, chicken nuggets are in. Turkey burgers. These were actually on sale for like $5 for the pack, so I got these instead of regular beef burgers. A container of cinnamon rolls. We really enjoyed the ones I got for Christmas, so I decided to go ahead and get more. A pack of salad. One thing of ground beef for meatloaf. Some whipped cream cheese to go on the kids' bagels for their lunches. I think I lost some groceries here, so I was trying to find them. Yeah, I was getting the canned goods. I got 6 cans of mandarin oranges for the children, and then 6 cans of peaches for the kids. They'll both, I'll just give them both half of a can and they'll eat them all. And I got all-purpose flour because I've been really into making bread this past few weeks. So that's all we got, and our total was around $112. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I could not get the camera to focus in on the receipt, but it is like $112.40 or something. But I think I do finally get it to focus in and show you the